Okay, so investment strategy. How important is investment strategy? Sometimes what happens, we are so engrossed in making business, making the profits, that we forget to invest that profit somewhere, and that profit is lying idle in our bank account, right? That the money is coming in, flowing in, but it's staying idle in my bank account. So remember one thing: money invested in one day is money you're working less for one day. One day you invested, you are saving on one day of work. Slowly and gradually it will happen. Okay, so that's the reason it is very important to do the investments also. What are the most common types of investments for small businesses? First is equity. You can invest in the equity shares, which we most of us knows, like share markets. As a company also, you can invest in other bigger companies, or any companies of uh, which satisfies your emotional quotient, right? So you have to first identify how much you want to invest and what are the risks and what are the return you want, and then you have to decide on investment. So you can, first of all, you can go with the equity investments. Second is you can invest in bonds. There are various different type of bonds. There are different types of government bonds also, where risk free bonds are also there, where you do not have to take any risk, but the return is fixed, but the return amount is smaller. There are various mutual fund, as it's very famous nowadays. It will give you a balanced portfolio. So there are various mutual funds which gives you 50-50 ratio also, that 50% risk and 50% return. So these kind of mutual funds is also there. There are various banking products, as in fixed deposits, recurring deposits, I wish list, flexible options. There are various products of banking companies. So get in touch with your relationship manager of your account. So if your account, business account, is of IDBI Bank, ensure to reach out to the right person. Otherwise, you will not get the right answer, right? Authenticated right answer if you want. As a company, if you are going, you should definitely reach out to the relationship manager and check, I want to make the investment, tell me the best products. This is my view, this is my investment plan. Okay, next comes annuity. So annuity, invest in annuity. What happens? Gradually, slowly, in 2017, it's just an example. In 2017, you invested this amount. 18, it becomes this. 19, it becomes this. 20, it becomes this. Why? Because it keeps on accumulating, and the interest is charged on compounding factor. It provides, sorry, it provides a stream of payment made out on a periodic basis. So regularly, some amount will be deducted from your account, and it gets accumulated there. And the next is, nowadays, very much in trend is cryptocurrency. Yeah, let me tell you, this is in India, it is still not regulated. It is a non regulated virtual currency which still is in market, in existence. Out of India, there are various countries which have already accepted it. So we might see it in India, we might not see in India, not sure on that. But this is also another way of investing which you can go through.